Good solid advice about how to make money online that anyone can use. You can learn quite a bit about making money online if you have good information first. Here you're going to learn what goes into this so that you can use this to your advantage. If this sounds interesting to you, the only thing you should do now is read through the tips here. One great way to make money online is to use a site like Etsy or eBay to sell things you make yourself. If you have any talents, from sewing to knitting to carpentry, you can make a killing through online markets. People want items that are handmade, so join in. Take paid surveys online if you want to make some extra cash on the side. Market research companies will want to get as much consumer feedback as possible, and these surveys are a great way to do this. Surveys may range anywhere from 5 cents to $20 depending on the type you do. If you'd like to make money online, try thinking outside the box. While you want to stick with something you know and are capable of doing, you will greatly expand your opportunities by branching out. Look for work within your preferred genre or industry, but don't discount something simply because you've never done it before. If you love to draw, you can sell some of the photography that you create on the web. Initially, you may want to post your goods on Craigslist or a smaller site to get the word out and see if people will bite. If there is a high following, you can move to a more prominent site. Provide services to people on Fiverr. This is a site that allows people to get anything that they want from media design to promotions for a flat rate of $5. There is a $1 charge for each service that you sell, but if you do a high quantity, the profit can add up. Design and build websites for people on the web to make some extra cash on the side. This is a great way to showcase the skills that you have using programs like Composer. Take a class beforehand on website design if you want to brush up on your skills before starting up. Now you probably are able to see that it is possible to make money online. Whether you're just needing a little bit of income, or you may want a career, you can get these things done now that you know this information. Good luck and don't forget to give it your all. Student loan.